and 2 inches in the back. So that equals 1 plus 2 is 3. Take that 3 and divide it into 2. So that each side gets the same amount, 1.5. Don't worry. It's $3. It's half off. $1.25, $1.50 anyway. So you're going to add your darts up and you're going to divide it into 2. My darts are not the same as yours, so I have to do them individually. 1 5/8. So that basically the front and the back, and this is on page 243, so it's still in that same chapter. What I'm doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and an 1/8. So that's going to be so minute, we wouldn't even, it's below it's a 1/16 of an inch. So it's going to be 2, it's going to be 2 and a 1/16. So finding the middle point between the 2 darts, you're going to measure out equally half of that amount. So 1 on this side, 1, it's slightly more than that. And then the dart vanishing point is, where's the front? It is 4.5 inches down. Because I use this to pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, you can't do spread and slash?
Pardon?
You can't do spread and slash?
Well, you're adding the darts up and dividing it so that each front and the back get the same size dart. So it's just sort of math that we're doing.
Oh, okay.
You could, because they show you in the book then using this, they have like various vanishing points down here, and that would be where you want the flare. Because then they're doing a pivot to create that. So your front and your back are going to get the same size dart. And then you close this dart up to get the proper shape. So obviously there needs to be a connection there and a connection there. And that's then the sloper that you have. So instead of just combining the darts, you're going to take it equally and you're going to divide it so that the front and the back get the same amount of dart. Yours will be much smaller than this because my darts in the front are big. Mine is a different size. So your darts seem to be small, like a 1/2 inch, so you'll have 1 inch in the front, and what you'll do probably what the book says. So I'm going to close this dart up, and then with a French curve, do you have a French curve? Or a hip, depending on what you need. I'm not going to use the curved part, but this end, and you just true it up. Try to get it to be nice and pretty. And you can use your tracing wheel. It's a much larger dart. But that's the new pattern. Does anybody have any questions? You're just adding the darts all together, all 4 of them, dividing it into 2, and each dart, find the center point between the 2 darts, and that's where you place the dart. There's your center point, and then measure equally from left and right.